Okay, with any wall graphic preparation, the paint is, the substrate we call it, is very, very important. As you'll see here, you'll see it's quite rough. So what I mean by rough, there's like a stipple, roughness in the surface. So we want to make this as smooth as possible. So the idea behind that, obviously, to make it smooth as possible is in the painting stage. But if this is what we have, what we can do is we can get rid of any what we call high points. So these are areas that are sticking out during the painting process. You can actually feel them. So step one, before we apply any vinyl or, to the surface, we can grab a straight edge, like something like this, or a spatula, and run them over the surface. And the idea there is we can remove the high points. So step one. Okay, and they're pretty much gone. Yep. Obviously you have to do it for the whole wall prior to installation of the vinyl. So once that's done, then step two, just grab some water. It doesn't have to be distilled water, you can use tap water. Grab a clean rag, spray onto the rag, and then just wipe off any sort of dust or you would have created from the cleaning or let's call it the preparation process before you apply the vinyl. This has an additional advantage of wiping water with a rag apart from the dust. It gets any what they call surfactants or soaps that are in the paint off. And the idea behind this is we get maximum bond of the vinyl to the actual surface itself. Obviously this surface has to dry as well, so it dries pretty quick. Most wall graphic installation is done in an internal office environment where there is air conditioning. If there's not, temperature is also very important. So the third element it's extremely important. We talked about surface preparation, smoothness, cleanliness. If this was a used painted surface, there's in our instructional bulletins, we talk about using a soapy solution to clean. In this instance, it's quite clean. So that's the importance from a surface preparation. So we talked about smoothness, we talk about getting rid of high points. The third area is temperature. This is at 18 roughly degrees Celsius. So ideally we don't want it below 10. No more than 30. If it's quite high, then it's just going to slow you down because then it's going to be sticky, then it's going to stretch. But this is fine.